Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change drive icon in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your any search engine, and after doing this step, type a icon file, download, go to any website. Select the icon like this, open it, click on download now. Now here it is. After doing this step, scroll down, close it. In the search box, type a registry editor. Open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, first of all, select a HKey local machine and expand it. Select a software and expand it. Select a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this step, find out a Windows. Now select a Windows and expand it. Select a current version and expand it. Go down and find out a Explorer. Now here is Explorer. Expand it. Select a Explorer, right click, new, and set a key name is drive icons. Now I have already created this folder. Now here is a drive icons. Select it, click on right and click on a new key, and set a name key is E. Select it, click on open a default, and after opening that, first off type a double dots. After that, copy the location and paste it. After doing this that, go back, copy the name, backslash, and paste it, and close the columns with dots. Click on OK button, and after doing this that, close the registry editor. After close that, and after doing this set, restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you can see that the driver icon change. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.